to Dollar Tree. I am out in Kent, Washington, actually, and I hadn't been to a Dollar Tree in a while, and I found these wonderful pencil bags, pen and pencil bags, marker bags, whatever you want to call it. And I took all that they had left, and I think there was about 15 of them. If I could have got more, I would have. Not that I was trying to be stingy, I just have a project that I was trying to do, and you just saw it. And one of the reasons that inspired me to do the 3-ring binder process with the let me get it, a 3-ring binder process for my beads is because of all of those. All of those. I'm in my truck, and these things have been just a pain in my side. I've had too many boxes, and I'm trying to organize in my truck. I'm trying to organize at home. I'm sorry if you hear the rattling of my truck. It's got lots of little elements here. But this Dollar Tree was actually amazing, and I love their bags. I haven't seen a Dollar Tree with these bags yet. They're like really thick, and anyway, okay, off subject. Look, I am finally organizing my beads from the curated bead box subscription that I get every month. And I did not get a chance to do my videos on these, and they've just, and the whole thing is that they've just been sitting in my truck because I haven't had time, and they're just taking up space, and I haven't had time to work with them. And this is so inspiring, and I can see the colors of all the different boxes. This is going back. I am now up to the month of March 2023. I think I got this one on video, but I ended up putting my beads in this little Walmart compartment, thinking that was going to work out for me. But it turned out that it was just, again, too much space. And they were stacking up, and I didn't want to lose the key of what they are in the box. So I'm actually going to have to either cut this out or write them down and stick them in here, which I might just do. And there is a front and back side, but I allowed for the back side to be the front side so that I could see all the goodies in here for inspiration to actually get some jewelry done. I mean, look at this. Just beautiful curated bead box beads and metals that I have not touched. And now I have them in these little 3-ring holders, and I can see everything for inspiration. So absolutely gorgeous beads, and an absolute exciting way to display them for myself and save space. And I'm going to be doing these whatever pencil bags I find. Hopefully I can find these again in other, I'm going to be looking and searching out other Dollar Tree facilities. Oh, I'm sorry, microwave's just rattling the crap out of me. Anyways, I'm going to be looking for more of these because I only have enough for a year, and I've got 3 bead box subscriptions. I'm going to be doing this too, and I may just transfer them to a big 3-ring binder. But I went ahead and just I've got my trash over here from all my creating. I had to figure out the system. Look at me, I've just got a mess going on over here, guys. This trash, cutting papers. I mean, it's just a mess. I can't even find them. Anyways, there's 3 more rings. I got those from the Dollar Tree too. And that's what I used. That's what I used. And I'll be putting these somewhere safe, because my truck will beat anything up and tear anything up even when it's organized, and I don't need all these going everywhere. So when I did take them out of the box and put them in the little plastic Walmart box, I ended up breaking up all of the strands, so now I have to put all these in little baggies so they don't go everywhere. But I love this new little system. I'm also using this Abril pack of sheet protectors. They're the 5.5 by 8.5. And let me just move this out of the way. Hold on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and used these sheet protectors. Had to figure out how I was going to do these. And so even though they do have their own holes, I didn't use them to attach. Instead, what I've done is I took some Dollar Tree cardstock, because I didn't have any of my papers with me. So this is some 5-piece cardstock in here, different colors of paper. I cut the papers 4 1/4, or I can't remember now. I think it was 5 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I cut also the sheet protector in half. Why did I do this? So I could make another pocket. And if you'll look, show you. Sorry about the mess. Can't help it. I'm in my truck and I have been doing all this. So let's see if I can find one that's a little more revealing. Okay, here's one. Let me just do this. Let me just take this out so you can see what I've done. I've got all of the beads in here. Let me just do it that way, it's easier. And I took some double-sided tape, and when I cut that in half, I just taped that one pocket to the bottom, so it still has its opening here. And I was able to put the metals from the kit, the curated bead box, all in its own little pockets. And that's where I'm storing my metals for the box. And then the beads just go right back inside. And I don't know why that's unzipped. It might be too heavy for these cheap Dollar Tree bags. I don't know. But, because it looked like it should have been zipped. So I'm going to pop the zipper on that. Well, you know, it is what it is. I'll just get some tape. I don't know. But let me just zip that up. Definitely went off its track. But anyway, I was so excited to purchase these. I had this in my mind to get my truck organized, to create space, because, yeah, I got things in bags. I got things in bags up there. And I need to reduce this back to the house and out of the truck, or get the truck a little more organized than it's been. I also got this little Dollar Tree, I guess you call it a bone folder, and I just used that for the double-sided tape to stick on the paper. That's all I did. But I was excited. I wanted to show you guys what I was up to as far as doing some, I've been doing some organizing at home. Let's see, did I get anything else? Yeah, I got more of the double-sided tape. That's what I use with the Dollar Tree. I also got me some wood beads, and the reason I got these is because I'm going to be making my own beads out of the wood beads with my my epoxy clay that I recently purchased. So there is the epoxy sculpt. It's got an A and B, and it hardens just like resin. And then I got some in black. Sorry for all the rattling. It's a truck. I'm sorry. But anyways, I got all kinds of wood beads, wood beads to cover up the clay. I've decided to quit using so much of my clay and actually wrap them around the wood beads. I got these. What else did I get? Crafting. Oh, here's my other 3 rings. Put it back in the bag. Look at me being all careful and forgetful. And then I got some cork board too. I was thinking about putting these inside of the bags here for maybe some finished jewelry, but I don't know. I'm just going to hang on to it. They only had 3 sheets, so I took all 3. And that was just a quick blip of what I'm doing to organize my bead boxes. I will do this to Sam's bead box and to the bargain bead box as well. And I just got to get more holders, more pencil holders, pen holders. And I really like these material for this. I just hope they hold up, because it is a pretty heavy order, because this is almost a year's worth. I've still got November's, December's to do, as well as January, February, and March to put in here. So I've just been working backwards. Let me just put my epoxy clay out of the way. And so yeah, so this is just a quick video. I thought, you know, people use these kinds of things for storage bags for all, you know, journaling or whatever and whatnot. And I thought, why not my jewelry? It would make a lot of sense. It would give me space, room. I could see them. It would give me inspiration. And it's definitely going to cut down all that. All these boxes in my truck. Now, granted, I had them stacked and in a large tote bag. But you see all the tote bags I just showed you on the top of my truck there. And yeah, I don't need all these boxes. So I've just got to get all of the names of the beads incorporated into the boxes. And I might just do it on the cardstock that I cut it on, that I have left over. And I'll just make a list and stick that in there. And that'll be that. So I hope you like this idea. Maybe you can use it for yourself if you're fighting for space and need a little more room or a different way of storing your beads. This was exciting for me, and because this will definitely tone it down in my truck, because I have got a mess. Now, look, it don't normally look like this, but I have been working on this, so it gets a little messy. And then I've got to find a place for all these boxes until I can get the names of them. So I'll probably just store them back in the tote bag. I don't know. But if you haven't, you know I haven't been around much, and I do apologize for that. So this video will be both for Stefador's and for the Rolling Studio. But I would ask you also to check out my Let's Talk channel. We just started a podcast, and it's going to, I don't know how often it'll be. We just did our first one, and I haven't released it, and I've actually had it for about 3 months. But, you know, I'm a little gun shy on it, and wasn't sure if I should do it, and I just held on to it. But I finally am going to release it, and it should be released by the time you see this video. So I hope you come join us at Let's Talk. The link will be in the description below. Also, if you're on the Stefador channel, check out the Rolling Studio. And if you're on the Rolling Studio channel, check out the Stefador channel and Let's Talk. So, I'm looking forward to creating more of these. Oh, aren't they beautiful? And really, I mean, I haven't been inspired by the boxes lately, just because I've got so many other things going on. But I'm real excited, because now I can see them, and they're going to be easy access. And my truck's deciding to get loud again. They pretty though. And I've got my medals behind there in the pockets. So anywho, I hope that you like this video. I hope that you like this idea. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, and put a comment or two. I would appreciate some feedback on what you think about them, or if you yourself have done this with your beads. I'm sure I'm not the first one to think about it. It was just that I was thinking for something for me to knock down all these boxes in my truck and get them out of here. I mean, I've got to limit some space in here. I'm getting crowded. And my truck's getting loud again, so I'm going to let you guys go. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you like my little organization video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Yeah, I'm back for one last mention. I did in fact manage to peel the labels off of the cardboards, so I can actually reuse the cardboards, but also I was able to put the labels over those papers. And hold on one second. Not only that, but I failed to mention, see, here's the label. I got it on the little cards from when I cut out the papers, the little leftovers, so I was able to put the key on the card, so that was pretty cool. But I also had forgotten to mention that on the little protector sheet bag that I made the other pockets on front and back. I forgot to mention that I did it front and back. I did that also because, as you can see in this one, I had started a project and didn't finish it, so I thought it was cool also that I'm able to put this product in the pocket. So even if I don't finish the project, I get to keep it in line with the pocket that it belongs to, the jewelry that it belongs to. And I thought that was a pretty cool idea as well, to have a project pocket available to me on the back side. But I did get the key codes on all of these, so you could see I wrapped them around my cardstock, so that was cool. We got the pocket for project pockets. There's the other one, and I'm super excited that it worked out. I mangled a couple of them, but I got them. I'm excited. Okay, now for real, I'll let y'all go. I hope that you like this project. Okay, bye.